This is a video review of the Vax Air3 vacuum cleaner. It's a very light vacuum cleaner. It doesn't weigh much at all. It's considerably lighter than the previous vacuum cleaner that we had. It also has an adjustable handle, which means that it can be retracted to be stored very easily, and also has a special pivot function, which means it's easier to turn corners and vacuum tight spaces. It's a bagless vacuum cleaner that comes with two accessories. You have an upholstery tool and a crevice and brush tool. The dust bucket is easily removed. You push this little button here and can be emptied at the bottom there using that button there. And you can also clean the filter by twisting the top off and cleaning it, and there's instructions on the side there showing you how to do that. You can also remove the hose here, and that allows it to connect to this enables you to connect it to the various tools so that you have easier access into tight to reach spaces. The vac is turned on using this button here, and you can enable and disable the rotating brushes on the floor using this button. As you can see, it's a very powerful vacuum. At some points it's actually quite hard to push it with just one hand, and also at some points, especially on a wood floor when the brushes aren't moving, it doesn't necessarily pick up everything. Also, given that there's a clear bucket for collecting all the dust, it's easy to see when it needs emptying, and there's a handy max indicator there telling you when that needs doing. And also, given that the bristles are covered by a clear covering and are orange, it means you can see when that needs cleaning out as well, and that'll help stop any blockages in the future. Also, given that the vacuum flattens quite easily when you are using it, it means that it's very easy to get down very low and go underneath various different tables, chairs, radiators and the like. So overall, this is the review of the Vax Air3. It's a very good light vacuum with a number of useful features, and it's a very, very powerful vacuum, which I don't believe is too noisy in comparison to some other units.